Hello there, this is Rahul from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of wpengine. So let me take you to the website, which is wpengine.com. For the ones who don't know about them, wpengine is a managed hosting provider built exclusively for WordPress, which is the world's most popular content management system. While WordPress allows users to create websites, wpengine optimizes, secures, and manages WordPress hosting for better performance. wpengine automatically updates WordPress, providing caching, security, and premium tools like the Genesis framework. If you need hosting for WordPress, then wpengine is a premium choice for speed, security, and scalability. So what you're waiting for, you can come to the website, explore all what they offer, and you can also click on pricing to see at what price you can get what. You can go with the essential plan, core plan, or the enterprise plan. You can see the benefit first, of course, but this is not exactly why we're here. Unless you want to use it, that's a different story. As usual, we are here to earn money from the brand. In this case, we want to earn the money from wpengine as an affiliate. Is it possible? Of course. Simply join the affiliate program of wpengine, start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, as usual, you'll get the commission. So affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program of wpengine? I didn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of your country, as an affiliate, you should be able to apply to the affiliate program, get the approval, and should be able to promote them. To the consumers of which country can you promote them? I didn't find any restriction for that as well. So long as wpengine is available to the consumer of that country, you should be able to promote them, bring sales to wpengine, and start earning commission. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, you can scroll down to the very bottom of the page. You can click on affiliate program, which will take you to the affiliate program page. Over here, you can see more details like why choose wpengine. So there are some benefits to it. Scroll down, you can see it's a three-step process. So you complete the form, you wait for the approval, and then you start selling them. That's it. And if you scroll down, there are some frequently asked questions like how do you join affiliate program? You can read all these questions and the answer for it for your understanding. But still, I'm going to cover a few questions here, which are very important. So first one we got here, when will I receive my commission? Commissions are paid on around the 20th of the month after the referral reaches 62 days of age, as long as the referral remains in a good standing. Basically, you brought someone who made the payment to wpengine and stayed with them for 62 days at least and were in a good time. So that's one of the prerequisites. How much do I earn for each referral? So commissions are structured as one-time payment for each new purchase. That means if you bring someone and if they made the purchase, you'll get the commission. So it's one-time commission. For wpengine hosting plans, you will earn $100 on light plan purchase, and for all other plans, 200 minimum or equal to the first month's payment, whichever is higher. So one of these two. That means you could earn anywhere between $100 to $200 per referral you bring to wpengine. And if you look at this question, where can I place my affiliate links? You will know there are many options available, and they're also okay with social media. So like this, you can read the questions, you can read the answer for better understanding. And if you want to reach out to them ever, you can click on this. I have a different question, and you can always write an email to this email address, and it will go to the affiliate program team of wpengine. Now, let's say you have read it all and you want to apply for the affiliate program. For that, simply click on register now from the top of the affiliate program page. I'm going to mention this link in the video description as well. Click on the register now, and it will take you to the registration page. All the information that I'm going to fill here, that will be dummy for educational purpose, but in your case, ensure you write the details that is accurate per your knowledge, because otherwise, if wpengine would see that, they might take it as a reason not to approve you. So let's start filling this form up. So you can write your first name here. I'm going to write John. You can write your first name followed by your last name in here. The email address. Now you should have access to this email address, because after getting the approval, all the details like this login page, your credentials, instructions to enter your credentials, everything would come to this email address. So you should have access to this email address. then the company. So you might be representing a company, or you might be an individual, or you might be a website owner. So you can give it a name. Let's say if I got my website, I can give a name of the website here. But what if I don't have a website, but I might have a social media account? So I can give the name of my social media page in here. So in my case, I'm going to go with A3 Marketing. Then you can enter your website or social media detail here. Let's say if you got a website, you can enter your website address, otherwise social media profile page, wherever you intend to promote WP Engine. I'm going to mention here domain, but in your case, you can mention the accurate one. Then comes the address. So you can give your address, as usual, dummy details for me. In your case, you should write it accurately. So you can enter your city, you can enter the postal code. So depending on your location, you might have a postal code or you might have a zip code. So you can enter it accordingly. Then you got the country. So select the country of residence here, for which you have added the address above. I'm going to go with India, and then you can select your region. So in region, depending on your country, you can either select your province or state. So I'm going to go with mine. And then you can enter additional information, which category best describes your business. So you can select here, and whatever category that describes your business or business model, you can go with it. So I'm going to go with content. In your case, you can choose it accordingly. Then you got terms and condition. You can click on I agree to WP Engine and terms of service and click on apply. But you see, you'll get this error message. So you're supposed to read this terms and condition, and you have to ensure that you're scrolling it till the end of the terms and condition, and then you can click on apply. So when you do that, your application to the WP Engine affiliate program team would go. And as you can see, your username is this, or whatever email address that you have given, that will become your username. And you must have received a confirmation email on this email address, confirmation email about you applying for the affiliate program, and WP Engine affiliate program team have received that request. So now you can give them a couple of days to a couple of weeks time and wait for them to review and approve you. In case if you don't hear from them in a couple of weeks time, you can always write an email to them and ask more, but you should get an update from them. You can wait until then. Once you get the approval, you'll be notified by an email. In the same email, you should have the instructions to sign in and to enter your credentials. So you can follow the instruction from the same email. You can log into something called affiliate portal. From there, you can start promoting WP Engine. Now, you cannot just take any link from their website, the website of WP Engine, and start promoting them. You have to use your tracking link. So once you get access to the affiliate portal, ensure you go to the link sections over there and you create your tracking link before you start promoting WP Engine. And once you get your tracking link, there are many ways you can promote them, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Now, it doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you feel like that putting the advertisement of WP Engine on that section of the website is more suited for your audience, for your traffic, go ahead with it. Second way is blog. Now, blog could be great here because you could write blog posts about WP Engine, different services, features available through WP Engine, and put your tracking link somewhere within the blog post. So this way, interested parties would read, would click on the link, will subscribe to WP Engine, which will in return give you the commission. Third way is social media. Now, social media is great because you could influence through social media. You could create videos, reels, posts totally up to you. Put your tracking link with these content so people will review the content, may click on the link, will subscribe to WP Engine, and you get the commission. Fourth way, which I feel like is more suited here, is a SaaS website. Now, SaaS stands for software as a service website. People do come to these kind of websites to see which tools are great for them, softwares are great for them. So assuming you have such a website available, then maybe you create a section for tools like WP Engine and you feature WP Engine in that section. So this way, when people would come to your website, they will explore that section, they will click on the link and they will subscribe, you get the commission. So these are some of the ways you can promote WP Engine. Now, let's say you start promoting them. Where would you see your performance, the sales that you have brought to them? So your performance would also be there in the affiliate portal. So you can always log into your affiliate portal, you will see your performance. And once you have updated payment details, you can also expect to receive the commission that has been getting accumulated. So this is how you find the affiliate program of WP Engine. You apply to them, you wait for the approval, you get the approval, you start promoting them, you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning about the affiliate program of WP Engine. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.